Daan did things. What have you done, Daan?
Well, if you look, we've mostly finished this side, so new lower control arm with the bushings. Upper control arm where we weren't able to put the bushings in. I know the bushings we were able to put in, we couldn't put in this ball joint because it had to be pressed in, and he did it very rapidly.
Yeah.
Basically nothing, so that was a good choice. And then also, Coney boys.
Yeah. Okay, but Daan, why is all this in and nothing is on video?
I don't know. I might have forgotten the GoPro. But good news. We still have to do the other side. And also we still need to do here the stabilisator, how it's called, anti-roll bar.
Yeah, anti-roll bar.
And
sway bar.
And sway bar and new brake.
Yeah.
Calipers.
So that we still have to do. But yeah, Daan is. You didn't forget the GoPro this time.
No, so yeah, let's keep it at that.
Also, my dad had an oopsie, so my dad's car is temporarily here.
Yeah.
It's not crying, it's like his nose.
He has a running nose because he's crying.
Yeah. He's missing one eye. Very sad.
Sad boy. Yeah, I tapped the thread, but not in this same upper control arm, but on the other side.
Huh.
And it works successfully.
Nice. You got your Alibaba thread tapper.
No, HBM.
HBM?
Only the good shit. Okay, so we're gonna start with upper control arm. Because this
Longest bolt.
Longest bolt in history. Because it's really difficult to get this through. So otherwise you can't fit it in. Now we can take this boy. Get it through. It's going through. And there it is on the other side. And we just need the only washer and the big nut. Okay. Let's see what order I need to proceed. Because it mostly depends when you want to torque what. Let's check the torque specs.
He has arrived.
Hello.
Tijmen the Beast Vendor's bike.
So I'm sawing out a little slit so the metal part just folds in on itself when I hammer it.
Right.
But I have to get through it.
Which sucks.
Yep. But it works. We did it last time. Just take some time.
Okay, so we got the bearing block thing.
Okay, so this small strange thing, that's why it's important to spec this one first, because you can't reach it otherwise.
Why is it so weird?
I don't know, mate. Japanese. It's after World War II, so you know, too much radiation.
Eating there.
There it goes. Almost feels like it isn't the right bolt. Yeah, because it feels like this is too big, right? Yeah, it is. That's strange. Alright, here it goes.
You just suck.
I just suck.
Yeah.
Okay. But that's a good thing to know, right?
Yeah.
Now we have ruled out that possibility. Now we know we just need to handle it a bit more rough. In.
Okay.
Let's get some coffee.
Yeah. Bearing block thing and control arms are in.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very nice. Then we just need to do the ABS. Attach it again.
Yeah. And you've got new thingies for the sway bar dongles.
Yeah.
What's the name of that?
Tie rods.
Is this a tie rod?
It's a tie rod.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Daan has the specs.
Yeah, we're torquing the last things.
Tijmen update. Hey!
One.
Oh!
2.
I got her just in time.
Oh, I saw a bit too deep. Pretty clean.
It's mostly like, does it feel rough or does it... Oh yeah, here it feels a bit rough still, but
This one's good. This part.
yeah. Basically just make it feel smooth. So basically, if you run your fingers through and your finger is bleeding, it's not good enough. Daan was torquing up the bolts. He clamped this like up against the body. Now it's stuck.
Ha!
Hey.
Nice.
You said I was crazy.
I still say well, I don't say you're crazy, I say you're useless. Because we were looking for that wrench also. And Daan said, oh, it's just on top of my dad's tool cabinet. But it wasn't, it was right here because Daan left it here.
Jimmy, you should have known that I would have left it here.
We went and got some bolts because we needed some to get some bolts. We also got some lunch. This is pretty much in now.
Yeah, we only need to cut a bit of this bolt because it's just too long. Then we should be all right.
Daan, how badly did you f the bolt?
Pretty bad.
It's fine.
Probably hot.
Yeah, but it looks fine.
Where's the other bit? Oh, there.
Oh, yeah.
It's hot. It's so surprising.
We're using a clamp.
Yeah.
We're using that to get the bushing in. We've had the entire Dutch Air Force flying over us.
Luckily, it's not the entire Dutch Air Force. Otherwise, it would be
Well, almost.
like the Navy and the airport is something we actually have. Like it's actually something that is substantial.
Well, do you know
Unlike
what?
the
Do you
army.
know what the biggest air force in the world is?
Probably China.
No, the U.S. Air Force. Do you know what the second biggest air force in the world is?
The US Navy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, while we were looking at fancy planes flying overhead, Daan was
Doing something
installing the bushing. What do you call this? The tube.
Bushing tube.
Bushing tube.
Sure.
Got some coffee, and we are hopefully gonna get the rear subframe in. Daan, what's the plan?
I'm just checking if all these bolts go loose that they powder coated with it.
The nuts. You mean.
The nuts. I'm
Nuts and
going
bolts.
nuts here. Apparently this is a 12, but really... So this is a 13. Is this then a 12? No. Let's see if we haven't accidentally murdered this thing. Hey.
Get it? Oh,
Yeah.
See, I'm a genius.
Oh, by the way, we need to get these off here.
Don't you have new ones?
No.
You know those are 22 years old.
Yeah, who cares?
They'll probably snap.
Yeah, how do we get them off? That's the question.
Yeah, that's why they snap. It's hard to get them off. Are you getting it? Nice. Yeah, on the other side. Oh yeah, wait. Try and do it horizontally and try and get both of those little lips just over the edge so you can pull it out.
Oh.
You think maybe you can reach it from there?
You probably might, but I can get a screwdriver through, but not.
Oh, you can see the screwdriver.
Yeah.
You gotta push the lid down. Oh, you're just next to. Oh yeah. Nice. See if you can turn it around and get the other side without pushing the first lid back.
I got it, but this one is tight a bit. But we'll see if it sticks. I think it is this bracket.
Do you have that?
The other side. No, but
What's it for?
we can try to get this side off.
Okay.
I don't know what it is for. I think ABS sensor.
So we need to take it off.
We can try.
And then clean it up a bit. I've got some hammerite left, I think. We can spray it. Just nice. Okay, so in taking off the bracket, Daan instantly snapped the bolt. And now we're gonna drill out the other side. I'm gonna see if I can clean this up a little. Save again. This is easy. Just the lip, pull it up. Comes off. Now let's see if we can clean this up a little. Okay, so I've sort of got the worst of the rust off. We got hammerite here, which doesn't mind if you paint it over a little bit of rust because it sort of seals it. Just like heavy duty outdoor stuff. But it's just like a little bracket, so it doesn't really matter.
Does it really need to be so long?
That's probably fine. Let's just do it. Let's send it.
Seems fine.
I want to do. Yeah, we don't want to go any thicker than that. So the hole is threaded now, and we can get the bolt in. So that's success. We've got the little bracket thingy drying outside there. So yeah, guys, see you next time.